Good morning, everyone. So, today I have taken the topic Economy and Society of the chapter Russian Revolution. And today we are going to deal first. Let us take the first part, that is the economy in the Russia. What kind of economy system was there? So, just like India, Russia was also totally most of the population of Russia were totally dependent on agriculture, as we can see. So what we can say here is mostly we can say 85% of the Russian economy was through the agriculture. The reason was because industries that time were very few, very less industries were there. So mostly the people were dependent on agriculture. But with the passage of time, lots of development took place, and finally in the year 1890, what happened? Lots of foreign investments were there, and this leads to the industries increased with the passage of time because there were so many foreign investment. So in the year we can say, that is in 1819, there were lots of development, new industries were established, and because these industries which were established, they were mainly privately owned. It was mainly private industries. So and most other, and the other activity in industries, there were some other activities which were totally in the hand of government. Means government used to supervise those industries, but most of the industries which were established, new industries which were established, that was mostly private. So here we can say development was taking place with the passage of time. So there were lots of rules and regulations which was mainly called up for the industries, and still industries ruled were broken in the craft until and small workshop. So there were, because industries are set up, so all those agricultural products, they were sent through the industries to convert into the beneficial, this raw materials were used of agriculture to convert into the beneficial product. So here we can say economic system was developing with the passage of time in the Russia. So it was overall good. Now in this video we are going to see what kind of society was there in Russia. So first of all, always, as we have seen what we have gone through the various topics in the history, that society was always divided. So here also the workers were first of all divided on the basis of their skills, on the basis of their quality, on the basis of their training, whether they are trained workers, skilled workers, unskilled workers. So here workers are also divided here. Now the metal workers, they were considered to be the most super fast, most trend, because they had lots of skill, they were trend in the particular field. So they had got another group in the workers field. Now despite of this division, there were so many division between the workers, that is on the basis of skilled, unskilled, trained, untrained. So still all those workers used to live united regarding their work condition. Work condition here, I mean to say that most of the workers during that period were only discriminated, they were suppressed, their working conditions were not good. Like, just I'm giving one example, like they were overdosed with lots of work per day, their working hours were too much, their salary were very less. So these were the various working condition which was not beneficial, which was not good for the workers. So for this, these workers used to unite together and they used to fight for this. Another group which we are going to talk about in this chapter, that is peasants, farmers, we can say in other words. These peasants were also socialized, they were also grouped into various, like the peasants who are having their own land where they used to cultivate. There are some farmers, some peasants who were very poor, they used to cultivate on the other land, that is on the land of noble people, that is on the land of we can say that is noble people, orthodox people. So the lots farmers were also categorized into various groups on the basis of the economic condition. Now those peasant, that is peasant community, were referred as mir, M-I-R, mir, and they were also called as commune. Now here we will see that these people, they were divided on, though they were divided on the basis of their different economic system, we can say. These farmers were divided, but still here also, just like workers, farmers also, they used to live united together. Wherever they found that they are suppressed by these noble people, church people, they always used to be united together, and they used to help each other, they used to be united, they used to fight for their rights, just like the workers which we have seen. So here we have seen two groups, that is one was of a story of the workers and another was a story of peasants.